Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. When you're out in the wilderness and there's a rainstorm, it's good to be dry. So we set up camp under a rocky ledge. You can see right here, our campsite. One thing to always do is look at the ground, see how those leaves are dry. That gives us a reasonable expectation that we may stay dry. And if stuff gets really bad, we got a tarp suspended. Got all this above us, natural shelter. It's gonna be a good night. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/Irix Guy, and check out all of my wilderness survival videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.